students, let's discuss the question. In this question, in the first part of this question, we have to identify the terms and their factors in the following expression, and we have to show the terms and factor by using the tree diagram. So basically, in the first parts, A part, we are given at x minus 3. So basically, here we have to identify the factors and we have to express them using the tree diagram. So this is x minus 3, its factors are 2, that is x, and the another one is minus 3. One is x and the another one is minus 3. So its tree expression of this expressions from here is x and one from here is minus 3. So this is the answer to the part 1 of this question. Part B is 1 plus x square. So this is our given to us. So we have to identify its factor and write down using the tree. So its one factor is 1, its another factor is x, and its the third factor is x square. Now there are factors for x square as well, which are x and x. So this is the answer to the part B of this question. Now the part C is y minus y raised to the power 3. So this is the part C, that is y minus y raised to the power 3. So its two factors there are, one is y and the another one is minus y raised to the power 3. Now we have to identify y's factor. y3 too has factor. y3 has, look, it is y3. So that is minus 1 multiplied by the y, multiplied by the y, and multiplied by the y. That is equals to minus of y3. So it has four factors which are minus 1, y, and y. So this is the answer to the part C. Now let's discuss the part D. Part D is 5 of x y raised to the power 2 plus 7 of x raised to the power 2. So part D is 5 of x y raised to the power 2 plus 7 of x raised to the power 2 y. So this in tree expression is written as 5 of x y raised to the power 3, and this from here is written as 7 of x raised to the power 2 y. Now this term has 5 factors. This is, sorry, it's y raised to the power 2. So this term has 4 factors, which are 5, one is x, another is y, and the another one is y. And this term also have 4 factors, which are 7, x, and y. So this is the answer to the part D. Now we are considering about the part E. Part E is minus of AB plus 2 of b raised to the power 2 plus 3 of a raised to the power 2. So we have to find out this factor. Now we are representing this using the tree diagram. So one is minus of ab, another one is 2 of b raised to the power 2, and the another one is 3 of a raised to the power 2. Now they further has factors which are minus 1, a and b, and this has 2, b and b, and this has 3, a and a. So this is the answer to the part 1 of this question. Now we are considering about the part 2. Part 2 is identify terms and factors in the expression given below. So the first is minus 4x plus 5. We have to identify the terms and factors. So this is minus 4x plus 5. So this is our expression. Here we are writing our expression. Here we are writing out term, and here we are writing out factors. So our expression is minus of 4x plus 5. So we have to find out its term and expression. So one term is minus 4x, and the factor for minus 4x are minus 4 and x. Another term is 5, and the factor for 5 is 5. So this is the answer to the part A. Now we are having the part B, which is minus 4x plus 5y. So B is minus 4x plus 5y. Again our expression is minus 4x plus 5y. Terms we are having minus 4x and the another is 5y. So the factor for this are minus 4 and x, and factor for this are 5 and y. So this is the answer to the part D. Now the part C is 5y plus 3 of y square. So 5y plus 3 of y square is here. So our expression is 5y plus 3 of y raised to the power 2. This is our expression. Factors are, term is 5y and 3 of y raised to the power 2, and its factor are 5 comma y, and its factor are 3 comma y. So this is the answer to the part C. Now the part D is x y plus 2 of x raised to the power 2 and y raised to the power 2. This is our expression. Terms are xy and the another is 2 of x raised to the power 2 and y raised to the power 2. So factors from here are x comma y, and for this 2 of x raised to the power 2, y raised to the power 2 are 2x, y and y. So this is the answer to the part D. Now the next part is, so the part E is PQ plus q. So this is our expression. Terms are p, q and q. So factors are p, comma q, and this is q. So this is the answer to the part E. Now we are considering about the part F. Part F is 1.2 AB minus 2.4 B plus 3.6 A. So from here, so the part F is 1.2 AB minus 2.4 B plus 3.6 A. So this is our expression. Terms are 1.2 AB minus 2.4 B and 3.6 A. So its factors from here are 1.2 A, B minus 2.4 and B, and these are 3.6 and A. So this is the answer to the part F. Now the part G is 3 divided by the 4 of x plus 1 divided by 4. So this is our expression. Terms are 3 divided by 4x, 1 divided by 4. So factors are 3 divided by 4 comma x, and for this 1 divided by 4 is 1 divided by 4. So this is the answer to the part G. Part H is 0.1 p square plus 0.2 q square. So the terms for this are 0.1 p square and 0.2 q square. So factors are 0.1 comma p and 0.2 comma q. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of algebraic expressions. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.